Okay, today we have got a box set. Well, not really a box set, but we have a package. I did not get the latest Necromunda box set. I did get some of it though. Or one particular aspect, one particular gang from it. And I guess we shall have a look at it right now. So here is the box from Element Games. You are looking to save yourself some money. That could be an excellent place to go. So, what do we got in here? Receipt. I'll get rid of that. Thank you very much. Bag of air. A lovely, lovely sticker. Lovely stuff. And a lovely, lovely sweet. Lovely bit of sweet. Sweetness. Some brushes I've yet to try. Or order. An airbrush I've also yet to order. There we go. Let's get rid of that. There is going to be a reflection from the light above, so I will remove this cellophane quickly. So I've got the Ash Wastes Nomads. Dustback Dustback Hemalite. There we go. Got the name eventually. We got them. And I've also got these ones. I didn't go with the Orlocks. I didn't really go with the box set. I wasn't too enthralled by it. I may regret that, but I guess this is what we're going to be going with for now. One war party or one gang at a time, I guess. So let's just open these up, get rid of the cling film, see what's inside of these ones first. The Ash Wastes Nomads. I'll remove the wrap off the other one as well, in fact. Right. Right, there we go. Less reflection from above. Still there, but not quite so bad. Right, so we have got 10 gangers here. 10 miniatures. We have got a Nomad Watcher, as it says. Nomad Chieftain. And a bunch of random geezers. Have a look inside. I will not be building these on this particular video, but there are instructions to include a variety of different miniatures with a variety of different loadouts. Looks all pretty simple. Yeah. Pretty fabulous right there. I'm looking forward to getting these built. So we don't have the kind of Zone Mortalis kind of base, obviously. So they are these 25 mil. We got these. Oh, hello, knife. I was just eyeing these up to see if these are in fact both the same sprues. Yep. Both sprues are exactly the same, so it's just doubling up on the one. Hope there'll be enough options to make a variety of minis. Plus, there's also always conversions go on top of that, make things interesting. I'm looking forward to building this though. Hopefully we'll get cracking with these. We'll get some kind of a video on painting them up. Well, as soon as physically possible. Now this weekend, I am going to be able to order the cards separately, so I'll be ordering the cards this weekend. Don't know if there's also the chaos. There's yeah, the two gang cards, and I don't think there's anything else for Necromunda this weekend, so we won't be getting any of that next week to look at. Now, I'm expecting these to be similar sprues as well, so it's four miniatures, long rifles, blast pistols, blast rifles. I don't know how I'm going to paint these. My initial thought was a sort of skinish colour of some variety. Although if they're out in the ash wastes, suntan lotion, etc., might be an issue. Got instructions. Right. Okay. So there are different build options for the bugs. I think we're just swapping out the heads, is it? And the posing. So they come on these oval bases. They're the rest of them, thankfully. So it's two of the same sprues again. Well, both sprues are the same, I should say. Giving us a variety of different build options. Really don't know how I'm going to paint these. Plus, so we'll have eight heads in total, so that should give us some more options as well in the future. For future conversions as well. I do wonder how I'm going to be painting them. I'm going to have to start looking at some books on bugs and things. However, so that's about it. These sprues are both are the same. You get your instructions, you get 4 bases, and that is it for those 2 box sets. Nice and simple. I will, I don't think we'll be doing a build video of these. There's probably no point. Unless I do any weird conversions or anything like that, I'll have to plan that content out. Soon. So that's it, really. The Ash Wastes Nomads, Dustback Helamites, and the Ash Wastes Nomads War Party. So that is those 2 done. I will try and get my hands on the bikes at some point as well. But I'm not going to be in a rush for those. And we will look into that. More stuff later. And yeah, I'll be doing more unboxings. I'll be doing continuing more with the painting videos. So do make sure you've click like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications as per the rules of YouTube. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.